Hello friends, in my today's video I'll talk about a very common problem that I generally face in a Word document. So generally when we are attending sessions or taking notes, we just are concentrating on listening and then typing, and in between we don't realize how many times we put space. And this is, I think, a very common thing across, and many times people have come back to me and asked, okay, how do we fix this? So while browsing the net, I came across many solutions, and one of them, the easiest one I found, was using replacing the space. Uh, since, for example, the example that I have over here is having very small set of data with that space, so the which can be easily fixed by just coming into this region. I mean, one way or the easiest way to do is select your space and just hit space once, so it just replaces it. But when I have a very big but suppose if I have a really big document that I was working on, I have copied it from somewhere, from some friend or some internet source, and it is not giving me in that proper format, wherein there are a lot of space in between. So what to do in that case? And so we cannot, like, keep selecting each place where there is a space and then keep editing it. There are high chances of making errors or keeping those extra space in between. So the solution that I got from it is, like, the area where we want to make this change, just select that area and then click CTRL+H. So in find what section, I will put open parenthesis, space, and then parenthesis, then a curly bracket, type 2, comma, then close with curly bracket, and then replace backslash and 1. Then go to more option, use this option, which is use wildcard. I can say less, and then replace all. So it says they have replaced like 27 uh, different characters that they had that has been moved, and then close. So now if you see, this was the proper formatted text, and now this is the text where I had done that formatting. If you like this solution, do hit the like button at the bottom and do subscribe to our channel for such easy and simple trick that can really make our work very easy. Thank you.